morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. I got me a beautiful, beautiful Assa.
That was easy.
Oh, God, why do you always do this to me? What are you saying?
That was easy.
No, I didn't say ass of. I said ass of. Where's your dirty mind at? You know?
That was easy.
No, I didn't say ass. Next thing you're saying is I'm talking about your wife. Come on, man, get your head out of your gutter there. Assa, Assa, A-S-S-A, Assa, not ass of somebody. All right, go back home.
That was easy.
You are home. Yeah, I know that might end pretty soon. Okay, this is what we got here. This is a Assa. I'm not sure about all the numbers and what it stands for and all that. So I'll just let you guys look. I got, I can hardly see it. 9EA 316 A362. So again, very beautiful Assa. Let me get this in there. I'll show you a little bit more about it in a minute. I want to show you the key. All right. Here is the bidding on the key. And you can count with me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pins in there. Beautiful looking key. Yeah, both of them. Okay. I'm going to be using my set that everybody says don't use. It's a collector's. This is a Folly set. I'm going to use some thin picks because this is a pretty paracentric keyway. These things are pretty flexible. This is the Follies number 3. I'm having some problems with the. They say 3, both 3s, so I guess I'm only going to use one. This one's got a shorter hook, so the Folly set comes in different thicknesses and stuff like that, and that's why they have it numbered 3, 4, 5 in 3 different categories. So that's that. I'm going to use in the Follies tension wrench. Let me get this in there. I got to adjust this. Got it in there. Got it in there. Got it all the way up. Tighten this. I tell you what, at all the tension wrenches, I love this one. This one, I could do better. I wonder if I use the other side, which is thicker. Give me 1 second. I'm not prepared, but that's usual. Yeah, that's too fat. I'm going to stick with it. I can play with a little slop. I'm used to doing that. Get some tightness in there. All right. Let's see what we can do about picking Mr. Ass of. All right. Short hook. I need to turn this just a bit. Get this in frame. Okay. You gotta hold it in. One second, I gotta unplug the power cord. I'm hitting it. More light on the subject. And damn magnet. All right, hopefully that's all right. Here we go. Try to get off this sledge here. Let me see something. Oh, it's still enough where I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, I just got a little teeny click. 2 is binding. Nice. That was 3. I just touched it. Nothing's on 4. 5 is binding. Nice. Last pin. 6. Nice. Nice. I got a little movement in my fingers. What did I just do? How's that? A little better? Trying to keep my big hand out of the way. One feels good. 2 is binding. I just got a little click. Maybe 2 clicks. 3 is binding. I'm going to use a deeper hook. Oh yeah. So 1 was set. 2 feels good. 3 just got a nice click out of 3. 4 is good. 5 is binding. Nice. Nice. Got a little bit of a turn. 5 and 6 binding. There we go. Got a little movement there. Back to the beginning. One, 2 is binding again. Nice. 3, 4, binding. Nice. 5. And 6 is binding. Get a little counter rotation in there. Sloppy. Sloppy. All right, there it is. Fully set. 1. Feels good. 2. Nice click on 2. 3 is binding. Nice. 4. Getting some counter rotation. Come on. Nice. Very nice. Little movement there. I think that was 5 and 6 feels good. Back to the beginning. Come on, get in there. 1. 2 is binding. 2, nice, very nice. 3. Very cool. That was a nice turn on that. 4. Feels good. 5. Is binding. Wait a minute. 5. It is binding. Nice. Very nice. And 6 is good. Very nice. I got a good false set going. 1. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is binding. Gotcha, baby. Ooh, I got excited on that one. Woo! Woo! I don't want to hear from Mr. Easy. Oh, this is a toughie. These asses are pretty damn good. I like them. I like them a lot. Anything that's oval, I like. Not hitting anything. There you go. I'm open. Hold that there for a minute. Okay. Follow it. Let me move this around. There. 10 minutes. That's not too bad. All right. Let's see what we got in here. I believe this has either got, well, maybe not. I was going to say sidebar, but I don't think it's got a sidebar because of the key. But I do believe it's got a control bar. God, why is this so hard? I think I'm stripping it. No, it's coming. Really tight. Must have had Loctite on it. Okay, where'd it go? A little bit of Loctite. Almost lost that for sure. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. Pull that out. Get that right about there. And let's put a shim in. That's good. A follower. That was short for follower. No problems, please. Nope. There we go. Yep, I feel a bar. Okay, I'm going to set this here. First thing I'm going to do, I want to tilt it so you can see this. This is the bar. And I got to be really careful. I always seem to lose the springs. Get my set out of the way. Oh, there you are. Stop moving my stuff, Mr. Easy. All right. There's the bar. Those. Wow, that was close. This is the bar. Put that up there. Those are the springs. I do not want to lose them. So let's take this really slow. Do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit here. All right. Number 1. We got, wow, look at all that in there. We have, all right, I'll arrange that in a minute. There's a standard and 2, one really looking weird spool. Oh God, I hate when I do that. I think it was this one. I'm gonna have to really pay attention when I put it back. And this is kind of a spool. You see how small that is? Look at that spool. Okay, standard. 3. There you go again. I will recorrect these in a second. God darn it. In a second. I might be wrong in that. I don't know which one bounced. So, but you're getting the idea. I'll do this carefully. And this one I do carefully. It's one solid pin. And 6, is that 6? It is. Another solid pin. Let me get this right. There. There. Is that a spool? I never seen such a small spool before. This is got a barrel pin. Okay. Look at how small. I can't get over that. I don't remember ever seeing one that small. And that's a standard. And this is another. Get it on the side. There you go. Spool. And this one's serrated. I never seen such small pins with such detailed work in it. And I guess that's what Assa is about. Ass of. How do you like that, Mr. Easy? Yeah. You see the serrations in that? All right, let's take a look at what the core's got in it. I don't see any special T, which would have blown me away. Let's see. It feels like an undercut right there. It is a little undercut. All of them, they got this little lip around there. And this is getting stuck on there. All of them are undercut. Oh God, I felt it. There we go. That's how you lose springs. I'm just going to put the springs off to the side here. Those are the springs for the bar. Okay, nothing unusual in there. In fact, 1, 2. Let's see what we got on top. I am definitely surprised on this one. This one was an excellent pick. Okay, we got a really nice barrel type pin with a very nice spring. Number 2. Another barrel. And if I lost that, I'm going to be pissed. I did not see where that went. Did you guys see where it went? Friggin' God. Alright, I'm not going to dwell on it. I'll find it. Or find another one of those springs if I have one. 3. That was kind of a light one. Another barrel pin. And another steel spring. All barrel pins so far on the top. Really, really nice. Really enjoying that. Okay, don't mess it up. Another steel spring. Another barrel pin. Sorry, I wasn't looking. I hope that was in camera. One second. Trying to get this. Nice spring. I'm gonna go from the back side here. Should have did that before, but -1 spring. Darn it, I'm not in the camera. Here it is. Barrel pin. And the other spring. Okay. I'm not going to make this video any longer by looking for it. I don't think there's anything done to the inside, but let me give a quick check. No, nothing done to the inside of the... yeah, nothing done in the Bible. We're good. Okay, put this off to the side. Let me show you what we got here. I hope I can find that spring. Zoom. All right. We got a standard with a wafer on it. It looks like that's another one of those right there. Look at that. I can't get over how small that is. So let's just go with the bottom. Standard, 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 and a standard. Like I said, this is like a spool. There's a spool. There's a barrel right there. Got a barrel on the top, barrel on the bottom. This looks like a spacer. And on the top we got Jesus. I think, yeah, this was on the bottom pin too. This is the spool. This is a tinier spool. I don't know if I can pick it up without it. Let's see if I can turn it. Just getting camera. Come on. Yeah, not gonna do it. All right, this got serrations in it. This is a barrel pin. This is a spool. I meant spool right there, sorry. A barrel pin. I believe that was a spacer in there. Don't know if it had any serrations on it. Don't want to mess with it. And all barrel pins on the top. Ain't that something? That's your Mr. Easy. I wish I knew Assa SCD. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Thumper's Lockpicking, getting better every day. Hit that like and subscribe button, tell a friend, and don't put your pics in anyone else's lock so you have explicit permission. How's it going?